That intro was everything, but first up, let's talk hair. This is the fitted Glueless 360 lace wig. You definitely have to keep that band on. It allows for a more secure and comfortable fit. Now, I didn't have to do any plucking, no tinting of the lace. This is what I like. And to install this unit, I'm simply using the hard head spray. This is my favorite spray. You can apply this in separate layers. I did 2 layers total, and I'm telling you, it allows for a seamless meltdown. Definitely check the description box. Use my coupon code PINK20. You can save some coins on your purchase because this is definitely a unit you have to have. It's incredibly versatile. You can wear it up. I'm going to have a little bit of style inspiration at the end of this video. I teased it in the intro, so definitely make sure you stay tuned. When styling my units, I actually don't like the widow's peak, so I go in and trim it away. And you can do this, it's really easy. And you have to follow up with more of the hard head spray, but I'm using a spatula to help press it into the lace. One, so that we get rid of the white residue, but it also allows us to further melt the lace into the skin. And don't worry about that harsh hairline. Trust me, I'm gonna show you how to get it flawless as per usual. Now this is the key. Going in with a fine-tooth comb, and you want to comb away from the hairline to remove any excess shed hair, and that gets rid of that bulky, harsh hairline. Of course, it was going to be a deep set C-shaped side part. It had to be. It was perfect. For this look, I really wanted it to be elegant. I wanted it to be simplistic, but still make a statement. And preparation is key. Before I styled this unit, I allowed it to set for almost 8 to 12 hours. Now I'm going to have full details on everything in this video, even including the makeup, so definitely be sure to check that description box, and I'll have some information pinned in the comments. If you're not checking that description box, one, you're missing out because I put you on everything. Let's talk about a hashtag pink put me on. I think that's going to be the new thing. For my makeup, I wanted a flawless base, and so I'm using the Pat McGrath foundation. It gives such a skin-like finish. I'm going a lot softer on things like the contour and the highlight. For me, getting ready is a huge undertaking, and it's something that I don't take lightly. And I wanted to give you guys a perspective of, just what this process is like for me. Is it tedious? A little bit. Do I love it? Most definitely. Would I change it? Absolutely not. And if you don't know, Sephora is having a sale, so the products that I'm using in today's video, you can get them at a discounted price. Girl, run, don't walk. Makeup is done, and now we're on to part 2 of the hair. I'm excited. I have been talking to you all about KENRA products. I don't know if y'all aren't listening, that's gonna be on you. But one thing about it, I'm gonna always put you on. KENRA sent over this amazing box of goodies, and let me just tell you something. The way that these products smell, it's so reminiscent of my childhood, and they're so carefully designed and formulated. It's perfect for our natural hair textures and to care for your units that have texture as well. I'm going in simply to wet the hair. I forgot my detangling brush, so I'm using a paddle brush, and I forgot my spray bottle. So girl, I'm dipping the paddle brush in water. But first I'm going in with the lightweight defining cream. This is a super creamy texture product. It helps to define the curls. It smells absolutely amazing. After you work this through the hair, definitely using that paddle brush to distribute it. For the next layer of product, I'm adding the defining jelly. And you don't need a super generous amount of this product. A little goes a long way, and this allows for super defined curls. I really love it. And I've used KENRA products on my natural hair, and y'all saw the results. It was bomb. I'm just showing you, you can also use them on your wigs. And this brand gives luxury 100%. But one thing about this curl pattern, it is a little bit more loose. And so if you give it time, the curls get more defined, it gets juicy, it has more volume. Second day hair is absolutely amazing. Like, girl. Definitely check out my Instagram because I'll be showing what that looks like. And I'll just be repeating these same steps, using the products in the same order on the opposite section. To finish the look, you definitely don't want to forget to use the sealing oil spray. First off, this smells so good. It's almost like a hair perfume. I used so much of it. I had to remind myself that, girl, this is a lightweight oil, but it honestly functions as both. Your hair will smell so good. I wore the Good Girl perfume and it complemented it beautifully. Oh my God, but the shine and the luster that this oil leaves without it weighing down your hair, let me just tell you, I put you on. So we finished makeup. I'm nearing the end of the hairstyling process, and we have to talk about the look. For the look, I was merely going for a classic chic vibe. It's time to bring out the vibrant colors that can go seamlessly in the fall season. And plaid is perfect, but this red canvas is everything. It just takes the look to the top. And just doing the all black ensemble with that pop of color. And I'm adding textures like patent leather, again, giving you a pattern with the plaid. And this hair is just absolutely amazing. You have to check out OMG Her Hair because, girl, this wig, no plucking, no lace tinting, no bleaching. But thank you so much for watching. Definitely let me know how I did in the comments below. Subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you were feeling the look. And I hope I see you in the next one.